The More button on the toolbar in your whiteboard where it has the 3 dots, this has many different features that you can utilize when you're quickly taking notes with your students during your instruction time. One thing is we have some math tools in here that you can use. For example, the ruler, you can bring it out, you can move it, you can draw a straight line, whatever you would need. There are tons of different math tools in there. We also can change the background to whatever you would like it to be. We also have the shape tool. So I can click on a shape, it inserts the shape, and I can change the color to whatever I would like it to be. I can make it smaller or bigger, whatever I need. We can also type here. So I have my word hello, and I have the transcribe feature, which is something that is new. So anytime I type anything or I use the pen tool where it's ink to text, I now have the option, once I click it, I can translate it to different languages. So this pops up once I turn that setting on. I have a bunch of downloaded languages and I can choose what I want it to be translated to. You want to make sure that you download any languages that you have in your class and that you add them to your downloaded section of languages so you can easily click them when you need to have a word translated for your students. Next up is the Post-its. You can click a Post-it. You can double click in to change the text in here and to make it bigger if you need it to be. There's also the line tool where you can draw straight lines. And then if you want to clean everything up, we have the broom that clears everything on that page. Next up, you'll notice that sometimes people have radar view on their whiteboard where it shows you all the different sections of the board. And if students come up to move stuff on your board, it can shrink it, it can interfere with your lesson. So this is the canvas lock, so it makes it so that no one can move your screen, which is great. Also in the More button at the very right, you'll notice there is a gear. So this is now where we can set defaults to our tools. So we can have a default save setting to Lumio if you would like that. That's how most of it is set up. We can also change the pen type. So maybe if I know I always come in here and I like to use ink to text, I can change that. If I always highlight, I can change it to that. I can change my pen thickness. I can set up my color to whatever I would like. My favorite color is purple, so I'm changing that to purple. We can always have finger inking on, or you can lock the new canvas, which every new page I would want locked, so I'm going to toggle that on. You'll see down here, it says Enable Translation Toolbar. If you want to be able to have that translation tool where if you type a word or if you ink to text a word, that you can tap it and you can translate it right in the moment to one of your saved languages, that is how you turn that on. So now after I have all the settings that I would like, in order for them to show up, I can't just click here and go ahead and write. It will not come up with my settings. I have to clear out of my whiteboard and then I go back into it. It'll register all my default settings that I set up. And now you notice I have a white page, the canvas lock, and my setting for the purple medium thickness line is set and it is writing. So that is a great tool that we have there. Also in the More, we have Share, where you can share it to a PDF, and we have Download, where we can download to a notebook file. So these are all great options in our More button to explore. Hopefully some of them help you during your instruction. If you need more help, reach out to your ed tech coach.